It's your boy, Simon International. Look what I got. Swedish meatballs from Ikea. And it looks amazing. Let's try the Swedish meatball. Super good. Let's try the mashed potato. Seems delicious. Perfect. The cinnamon bun. And this is how much. Swedish meatballs was perfect with the jam and the gravy. Hot. The Swedish cinnamon bun. I did not expect this to be so good.
We're gonna have a nap in every single bed before.
The jam was perfect. Now I'm using 2 forks at the same time.
Yeah.
Do you know what Ikea has in common? Ikea has in common with making very good meatballs and sofas.
I like the design of Ikea. It's nice, no? I hope they sell some good products like cosmetic, like a hairstyle.